This beautiful home is listed at $719,000. That's after a $36K price drop. It's one of the most popular floor plans for this builder. Let's go take a tour. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Shaddock home. Click below if you want some more information. And as always, may God keep and bless you and cause his face to shine upon you until I see you again.